Hi everyone, my name is Shrey and we work with 6 to 9 figure businesses around the world, helping them completely change their businesses, transforming them into an AI first business, reducing headcount costs, increasing productivity, etc. This video is about how you as either a recruitment agency or as an HR within an organization can source candidates with AI agents. All right. Okay. So let's talk about this. So AI powered LinkedIn candidate sourcing and pre-screening. So essentially what this AI agent does is it's going to automatically identify, evaluate and pre-qualify candidates. And essentially all you will have to do is just submit the job description and interviews will get booked into your calendar automatically, which is quite insane. And keep in mind, interviews of candidates which match the job description, only those candidates. All right. So obviously we, as recruiters, you know what the challenge is. Sourcing is manual, time consuming. And you're mostly doing repetitive searches like Boolean searches on LinkedIn, manually reviewing profiles, sending messages, the back and forth, what's your salary, what you're looking for, etc., etc. And, it just takes time, and we have a solution for this, which is an AI agent which automatically sources candidates from LinkedIn. Okay. So all you have to do is submit the job description. It will extract the skills, experience levels, and qualifications that you need. It's going to do a Boolean search on LinkedIn. It's going to find these relevant kind of candidates on LinkedIn, and it's going to reach out to them by sending an automated connection request or message. So essentially what we are doing is we are targeting these passive candidates. We're messaging these people with something like, "Hi, we are currently looking for a engineer. Are you looking for new opportunities at the moment?" Just a simple message. If they say yes, our AI agent will send them a follow-up message, speak to them, etc. So let's talk about that. So it's going to do a Boolean search, and it's going to essentially use multiple LinkedIn accounts. So if LinkedIn has this like limit where you cannot just message like 1,000 people in a week. So the limit is usually like 200 connection requests in a week that you can send. So what we do is we use multiple LinkedIn accounts. So we use a software called Get Sales. This is what you'll have to get. And we connect our AI agent with Get Sales. So Get Sales, you can connect multiple LinkedIn accounts. So let's say if you have, 5 people in your HR team, 5 people in your talent acquisition team, you connect those LinkedIn accounts and then you essentially increase the limit. So like all the 5 LinkedIn accounts are pooled together and you increase the weekly limits. Okay. So that's how we actually increase it. And then, okay, once the candidate responds with, "Yes, we are interested," the AI agent will automatically ask them for their resume. Okay. It's going to ask them to email it or send it in the chat, basically. The AI agent will parse and analyze the resume, and it's going to like essentially create a similarity score. So it's going to compare that resume with the job description, and it's going to create a similarity score. If the similarity score is above 80%, it's going to move further. And then it's going to just send them the booking link to the candidate. So if the similarity score is above 80%, it's going to send a booking link to the candidate. The candidate will submit the booking link, and then obviously the interview is scheduled. Now, this is the most important part. This is especially important for recruitment agencies or even companies that are hiring in-house. So usually across, let's say 1 year, you are speaking to at least, you're speaking to hundreds of candidates. Okay. There's one job role open, but you've spoken to more than 50, suitable candidates which were meeting the job description. So we want a way to store this data. And these kind of data storage systems are not really efficient. What you need is a vector-based storage and management system that works with AI. Okay. You need to stop paying for these, candidate kind of databases. This is much better. So how it works is that each resume that you ever encounter, Okay. Or we can have it so that each resume that was matching the job description, it gets saved in this vector database. Okay. Essentially, vector database is just like a type of database which works with AI. Okay. So I'm not going to get into much detail. So essentially, it's going to save that resume and candidate into the vector database. And essentially what it will allow you to do is just ask the AI, find me senior React developers with fintech experience. You just have to type that and you will automatically get an email with all the candidates which kind of match this query from your database. Obviously, if you don't have these people, like it will be like, okay, we don't have any. If it does, it's going to give you all those candidates. So literally all you have to do is like type in something that you type in normally. So you could be like, find me junior React developers with fintech experience of more than 3 years. That's also possible. Okay. So this is extremely important. You are building an intelligent talent pool across multiple industry skills and experience level. And it's a self-training model. So over time, it keeps getting better and better and better because you're adding more and more and more candidates. If you already have a list of resumes that you'd like to transfer into this vector database, we can get that done as well. All right. So let's talk about the business impact of this. You can process hundreds of candidates every single day across multiple roles. The time it takes to shortlist candidates reduces to hours, and you don't need constant recruiter intervention. You don't need that anymore. And one thing I forgot to tell you. So this whole thing, if you don't want to do it on LinkedIn, we can also do it with job boards. Okay. Let's say you create a job board on Indeed. Okay. If you create a job board on Indeed, whatever resumes come in, it's going to automatically analyze them and do the same thing. Like it's going to schedule the interview with them by reaching out to them. Or we can also set it up so that once you submit the job description, it's going to automatically create a job listing on platforms that you want. So we can automatically create job posts on Indeed, LinkedIn, Monster, whatever you want to use. Okay, so we can set that up as well. It's just not in the doc. Okay, so let's move on. So yes, again, like you're just getting all of these benefits. Yeah. So what we charge is a one-time investment to build this out. Or if you're someone looking for a solution where we join your business full-time as an employee from the ground up, every department, we see what AI agents need to be built. We build those, and within 6 months, you will be completely automated. Like you'll be like, wow, everything's just happening automatically. It's like magic. So if you're interested in something like that, you can schedule a call with me below or connect with me on LinkedIn as well for more information. So this is the ROI, like recruiters will spend, lesser hours on manual sourcing activities. You're reducing the time it takes to hire somebody, and your capacity for each recruiter increases by 3 to 5 times. Okay. And this is what we will deliver. So we'll deliver you an 80% reduction in sourcing time, a 3 to 500% increase in candidate pipeline volume, and a 50 to 70% improvement in candidate quality scores. And you will have a full ROI within 30 to 60 days. So stop paying for all these softwares, stop paying all these random things you don't need. Get this AI agent in-house, and then you just have a small recurring cost of, let's say, $250 to $500 a month to run this, which is insane. Okay. So yeah, if you're someone looking for any kind of AI agent solution, not just for recruitment, you can schedule a free consultation call with me, or you can reach out to me on LinkedIn if you have any more questions. Thank you. And let me know if you guys have any other ideas. You could put them in the comments, and we can create a similar type of video for those use cases as well. So yeah, see you, and thanks for watching.